Hey, what's up and welcome to the video. So in today's video we will talk about growth strategy number 4. We will talk about viral videos and the Instagram VTV videos. And I'm so excited for this video because back in the days when I first started my first Instagram account together with a friend, right? Or not the first one, but this was like the second or third Instagram account that I started. The name is actually Quotes for the Brain, and I started, wait, give me a second. Quotes for the Brain. There we go. This is the Instagram account. I stopped like working on that Instagram account, but we grew like I don't know, like 2, 3, 4 months to like 80,000 followers. Now it dropped. Now it also has less likes. But back in the days, like when we first started the Instagram account, the account had like 1,000 followers or something, and we like posted one viral video. Maybe you can scroll back and show you guys while explaining what the whole viral video strategy is about, right? So what we did is we started, me and a friend, we started that account. It was the friend that I also traveled through whole Australia with, and then, you know, after Australia we for some reason stopped doing that account together. But yeah, it was like the third or fourth account that I started. I don't know exactly, but we started it at the beginning of 2018, right? And we together traveled through Australia, and then at the beginning of 2018, like when we first started the account, within a week it got to like the first 1,000 followers. And then at one point we had like 1,000 or 2,000 followers. What we did is we posted a viral video on that account, and that video got like over 300,000 views. I still remember we had like over 750,000 impressions, and that account just through that video, right, got over like 5,000 new followers. And within a week we grew that account from like 2,000, 1,000 followers to over 10,000 followers, and that was just totally crazy. And the account was going viral, right? And that's the power of viral videos, right? So once you have one viral video, what can happen is that your whole Instagram account can explode and like go through the roof and grow extremely fast. And yeah, I'll now just show you guys the viral video that we posted. Okay, for that I think I have to scroll back a little bit, and I will show you guys some more examples and how to find those viral videos in a second. But let me first scroll back on the account and show you the video. Look, here's one video. That video got like 317,000 views. You can see it right here. Maybe you can also see how many we posted. Come on, look, May 2018. It got 20,000 likes, and at that point the account had like 1,000 followers or something. It was crazy. That was not. I think that was not the first video that we posted. We posted that video like 2 or 3 times because it really worked that good. No, we posted it earlier. This one has 67,000 likes. Where's the video? This one. Yeah, I think this is... Wait, let's see. Look at the count. Look at the count. It's so beautiful to see. Like, we started the count. Look here. We started the count. Wow. We started the count. First post got like 326 likes. Boom, boom, boom. You can see the likes over here, right? And we posted. Oh, wait. Let's take a look at the date. When did we start that account? Oh, let's see. 2nd March of 2018. That's like nearly 2 years ago. That's crazy. Like, we're not posting on the account anymore. Like, we stopped doing that because like we traveled through Australia, and after that my focus was on other stuff. And my friend, he stopped doing Instagram because he like focused on a different area. But we started the account in 2018 in March. We kept posting. You can see 150 likes, 83 likes, 46 likes and 0 comments. But we kept posting. We kept going. We learned, we got better and better, and then boom, look, first post here got like 600 likes. That was crazy. Like 600 likes and 30 comments. Okay, again, 600 likes, 400 likes, 700 likes, 400 likes, 500 likes, 600 likes, and that's when the account started getting momentum. 700 likes, nearly 1,000 likes, 600 likks, 500 likes, 700, 300, 400, 1,000 likes. First post with over 1,000 likes, 600, 400, 333, 73. And the account just kept getting more momentum. And then at one point, like, look, this post 2,500 likes. That's crazy. And at that point we had like less than 1,000, about 1,000 followers. We kept going, and got more likes. And then this is where the whole account exploded. Like, we got so many accounts with a good amount of likes, and then we posted this video, and that video got 345,000 views. April 9th we posted it, and within 10 days or something that video got that many views, and we grew like 10,000 followers or something with it. You can take a look. It got 22,000 likes, and after that the account blew up. Look, 2,200 likes, 1,500, 800, 1,500, 900, 800. Okay, there's not that much. Then we posted this video, okay, and the count kept getting more and more likes. Look here, 3,600, 2,200, 2,200. It's crazy. The whole account blew up. We got more and more followers, and within like a week or something crazy, look, this post got 3,400 likes. It's crazy to see. But yeah, within a week, that account grew to over like 10,000 followers or something ridiculous. We started making money with it, and now it has like 70,000, and we stopped posting. But yeah, that's the power of viral videos, okay? And you can find viral videos the same way how you can find high quality improving content. You just go to accounts from your niche, okay? And you take a look at what they post. So you can, for example, one of my students, Business Dollar, he now already has over 110,000 followers. Where's his account? Business Dollar. There we go. He now already has, like, he started a few months ago, and where's his Instagram account? There we go. His account, Business Dollar, he started a few months ago, and now he's already at 114,000 followers. And like, he came here, I also invited him here to Dubai in December of 2019. He was here in Dubai. We worked for 5 days. Now he will probably come back to Dubai, and we will work together for a whole month. We'll do like one-on-one mentoring and stuff, and implement the strategies, like the advanced strategies from the 100 group. And right now he's already making like 10K per month with the Instagram account. That's just totally crazy to see. And if you take a look at, for example, the IGTV videos that he posted, he doesn't have that much anymore. But wait, he had lots of IGTV videos before, where he posted lots of IGTV videos that went viral, and he grew lots of followers with them. I think he deleted them now because those because now he's posting personal videos. But what you can do is you can post viral IGTV videos, and you can post viral videos on your Instagram account. And once like 1 or 2 videos blow up and go through the roof, then your account is in the algorithm, and you will grow insanely fast, okay? So what I want you to do now after this video, is go and take a look at accounts from your niche, take a look at videos that already went viral, okay? And there's a pretty cool software. It's called Viral Finder, okay? It's not a software, it's like a tool that you can use on the internet. And with Viral Finder, just type it in, you can search for the best content from a niche. You can just register a free account, and you can then sign up for it, or you can like register the free account, and you can type in usernames. For example, you can type in Gary Vaynerchuk or Nicholas Peddle or Business Dollar or whatever, and that Viral Finder tool will find the top performing posts and videos, like the top performing like post images and videos, and you will then instantly have them. You can download them, you can like make them better and repost them or recreate them. It's totally amazing, right? So yeah, definitely make sure to check out that tool. Definitely to make sure that you start using videos, because videos, that's what Instagram likes. Instagram really likes videos. So definitely make sure that you post videos in your feed, because that's also like more interesting for people if they can see videos, because like everyone enjoys videos, or most people enjoy videos. And with those videos, you can like, if you have some luck and if you follow the strategies from the Instagram University 3.0, you can like get lots of new followers, you can go viral, and your whole Instagram account can go through the roof, okay? That's it for the video. I hope you liked it, and I will see you